Hello Summer, I'm showing you the current wiring setup for the speaker. You can see this green wire is there and there's another green wire here. I think they're coming from there to here. So it's not producing any kind of sound and I don't know what is wrong with. So I'm gonna test our own speaker. Here it's wired properly. You can see it's running. I'm gonna put it here. There's a YouTube video already running. आते वीडियो देखना चल रहा है YouTube का? ऑफ करके ऑन करो दोबारा. No sound. And then I'm going to put it here. And you can see there is no sound. Still. The volume is full maximum. So still here it's not producing any sound, and also here it's not producing any sound. I tested both. I'm gonna put it here as well, just in case. अब देखना आतिफ.
It's running.
Video.
Yeah, video is running.
तो अब आवाज तो आई कुछ? Yeah, this is an input. This one. मैंने यहाँ लगाया. This one. अर्थ की है? This is for. Huh? Yeah, this is earth. Why it's not producing any sound? And same thing here. I think that's for the microphone. That's also not producing any sound. So I don't know if motherboard is bad or the amplifier is bad. I don't know which is amplifier first of all. There's no amplifier pin here. I only see a video card and then the motherboard. So I'm gonna test here too, just in case. But this is not the same thing. This is something else. Definitely that's the one. And it's not working as well. So I'm going to send you this video to see and ask your technician to provide me help ASAP. It's very urgent. Thank you.